All right, inductive reasoning. This is the process of arriving at a general conclusion based on the observation of specific examples. So this goes from specific examples and then to a more general conclusion. We call conclusions here conjectures or hypotheses. You can really think about inductive reasoning as making your best guess based on the evidence that you have. Okay, that's how we have words like conjecture or hypothesis for our conclusions. If somebody can find something that shows my conclusion is wrong, it's called a counterexample. So a counterexample can show a conclusion is wrong or incorrect. I'm going to give you two examples of inductive reasoning, and then I'll talk about it a little bit more. But here's an example. Say that I notice if I take 5 and add 7, I get 12. This is going to be my very poor inductive argument. Since 5 plus 7 equals 12, and 5 plus 9 equals 14, I could conclude maybe that whenever I add a number to 5, the result is even. Okay, so see here, I've gone from these two examples, 5 plus 7 equals 12, 5 plus 9 equals 14, and I've gone to a more general conclusion, hey, whenever I add a number to 5, the result is even. Now, hopefully you're sitting there thinking, no, that's not true, because I can think of a ton of ways or numbers I could add to 5 that do not give me 7. For example, hey, 5 plus 4 is 9. That's not even, so I added a number to 5. I didn't get an even number, so you got junk up here. And that's correct. This is a counterexample to that conclusion, that whenever I add a number to 5, the result is even. Okay, that's how that works. I've got, I'm waving my hands here like you can see what I'm doing. I've got my inductive argument, hey, these two things are true, so maybe I can say something more general, that whenever I add a number to 5, the result is even. You tell me, no, that's not right, because here's a counterexample. Other examples of inductive reasoning are, well, the field of science. Okay, all of science uses inductive reasoning. They look at examples and they try to draw broader conclusions. That's good stuff, right? They then set up experiments to try to find counterexamples to their theorems. They try to prove themselves wrong, because all those experiments that try to prove them wrong, if they don't work, they don't prove them wrong, it's more evidence in favor of their conclusion, of their inductive reasoning.